Hello, this is Asa Leveaux. I'm down in downtown Oklahoma City right now, and I'm about to ride a bird. So what is a bird? A bird is an electrical scooter. I'll show you. All right, so this is a bird. See, it says bird on it. And what you do, see, as $1 to start, you can ride anywhere, and then you unlock it in the app, and it's a birdapp.com. And so once you go to the app, it tells you to scan the QR code, and that's how you get on. And then it tells you the rules. So it says a helmet, a license, no riding on sidewalks, no double riding, and you have to be older than 18. Okay? All right, so let's just be totally honest. I'm not gonna ride a helmet. I'm not gonna do it. And I've never seen anyone riding a helmet with these things. And so once you get on the app, you unlock it, okay? So I have already unlocked this particular bird. And when you unlock it, it tells you what the percentage is. So this one that I'm on right now is 60% good. You can actually sign up to be a charger, meaning you actually take birds, charge them up at your house, and they pay you for it. Yeah, you can actually make money that way. So how you start, well, let me show you again. All right, so here is the brake. This is the brake right here. I'm guessing that's a little chime, and then this is the throttle. So that's it. Brake, bell, throttle, okay? And that's all you need. And then all you do to start it is you just kick off that way, and then that's it. That's it. So gonna try this. All right, so 1 second. Okay, let me see. All right, so that was me riding on a bird. Yeah, this is kind of cool. I think I'll continue to ride this for sure. I like it. I don't know where I'm gonna go right now. I haven't eaten, so I guess I can go get something to eat. So yeah, so if you have a bird in your city, ride it. Like, don't be an old person. Meaning, when I say an old person, meaning don't be scared of new things and trying out something new. So that's it. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.